How to import your WhatsApp contacts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Log into your account, then click on plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, then click on refresh, which will add all the contacts that you recently added. And if you want to add new contacts, press on new contact. Then you will be able to add their first name, last name, number. You can also sync contact to phone, which will directly sync, and press on save at the bottom. And this is how to import your WhatsApp contacts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.